Welcome back to 2 Minute Travels, everyone. I'm back with my 5th edition of the Bavarian Lodge construction update. The last update was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but there is a lot of new things I need to show you now. To start, right out here, it looks like they're painting these outside walls to match the German aesthetic that it's supposed to have. All sorts of scaffolding has been put up, and I'm guessing they're going to paint those walls too. Secondly, they've started installing windows on the outside here. And the roof is almost done. They've already started laying the foundation for what's going to be, I believe, the indoor-outdoor pool at the front. To give y'all a reference, the concept art is right here. It's starting to take shape of what it's supposed to be when it's done. And look, this construction worker here is driving his vehicle right outside. This little opening here is how things like this get in and out of the water park construction area. Taking a look down there, it looks like all of those splashdown areas have been finished. And just like that, there are no slide pieces left in this entire field, which means all the outside slide pieces have been finished and put up. So of all the slides that go outside, let's count them all. So we have one there, one there, one there. So 3 right there. Then 2 racing slides, the pink one. There's a green one behind the family raft ride. You can see it a little bit right there. But that's 2 more, so 5. Then this green one right here, this tube slide, that's 6. And the family raft ride, that's 7. And it said 16 water slides are going to be coming in total. So 7 of the 16 look to be going outside. Also, I don't know if the Bavarian on their website counts the racing slides as 1 or 2 different slides. But if they count it as 2, it's 9 of the 16 water slides that are outside. Alright, next is this bricking that came up right below the family raft ride. I think it provides a good extra touch to the outside of this water park. That's pretty much it for this video. I know it was more of a shorter construction update, but 2 more videos are coming out this week also on the Bavarian Inn, so check those out too. Thank you for watching. Sub for more content.